Y'all, this is why I don't do my own hair. Because I tried to curl it and all the curls fell. It's like this side is like, oh, okay, she kind of tried. And this side is like, where her mom? Hello my kings and queens, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing my summer lit playlist. Woo! Yeah. I did do a video where I showed you guys my regular playlist. It was my like 2018 playlist, but I have music that I like in the summer and winter. I mean, because songs come out at different times. So I have some more songs and I'm just gonna title it my summer playlist, so it's not like you just did this video, because I'm gonna be like, no I didn't, it's a summer one now. Let's get to the video. I'm gonna try not to pick songs from the last video, but if I do, just don't mind it, because yeah, and my phone's on 9%, so we gotta get this show on the road.
And since I switched to a wireless plan,
This song reminds me of Trey Bills. Oh no, I need to stop. I need to stop. They say, King, where you been at? I've been running my moves. They say, Bills, where you been at? I've been running my moves.
Isolated myself just to make some change. Now I'm on everyone that doubted said I changed, but my morning, give me a beat. Oh man, okay, alright, I didn't got my views up. I'm like Nick, got a hammy crown. Don't do hand-me-downs. When he talk, you be laughing now. Drop your panties down, he won't beef. You don't hear my line no more. You don't make it
Well, my phone just died, so I guess that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a big old thumbs up. I hope you guys found some new music to listen to. If so, post yourself singing to these songs. Tag me in them on Instagram at SierraXandrea. Also, check out my makeup Instagram where I post makeup videos and makeup pictures at C Makeup. Also follow me on Twitter because I don't really post that much, but I'm trying to get more active on there so it can be like an active site at Sierra X Andrea. Subscribe to the channel, become a king or a queen, and I thought somebody was coming. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Oh man, okay, all right.
I done got my views up.